The car business was never easy. And now, new challenges. In times like these, we don't lose hope. There's no quitting here. The American dream has always included the right set of wheels. Nothing will change that. A new day will dawn. America will get back out there. And SiriusXM is here to help. We're here to do our part to get back to normal, whatever your normal may be. With free trial subscriptions for your car buying and servicing customers, and Dealership Beats, free showroom music for your dealership. SiriusXM has over 150 channels to keep your customers informed and entertained. And your customers are our customers. So SiriusXM is here to support the car selling and servicing community through whatever comes next. Because the American story will forever include a great set of wheels and a kickin' soundtrack.